Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and today's video we are going to be cleaning out and organizing this crazy mess that is my pantry. It is completely out of control, as you can see, and it is just no longer functional. I can't find anything, as you could imagine, and you know, I think I started with really good intentions. I'm going to show you some stuff here. See, I originally tried to stack up a bunch of cans, and I ended up using these little tiered shelves from the Dollar Tree because my original plan didn't work. I have some baskets holding some treats that I, originally put things in. They don't match, and things are now just piled on top of the baskets. So my intentions were definitely good originally, but it has just fallen apart, as you can see. Everything's just everywhere, and we just really have got to get this under control. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to organize. Everything is from the Dollar Tree, of course. And everything I chose white this time. All the other times I've tried to organize, I just kind of choose whatever neutral colors they have in stock. But my Dollar Tree had white in stock this season, and I couldn't believe it. And I also got some clear bins, as you can see here, and some of these other just like organizing bins as well. So I'm going to start out on the floor and work my way up in terms of emptying out this entire pantry. But first I'm going to gather up all of these plastic bags. Like, while I was editing, I was like so ashamed of myself because I have so many plastic bags and I couldn't believe it. Like, these have accumulated. The last time I cleaned this out was probably about a year ago. So I just need to remember my reusable bags. But I will take all of that entire bag of plastic bags to recycling at my grocery store. And then I'm just going to continue to empty out this entire thing and just get everything out so I can see what I have, so I can throw away things that are bad, that are expired, and start, organizing and putting like items together eventually. So that's what we'll do here, just continue emptying out this pantry.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Okay, everything is out, and this is just a quick look at the empty space, so you can kind of just take a look and see what it looks like all empty. I'll be sweeping it out before I put everything back in, of course, and wiping and dusting. And just take a look at all the stuff that came out. Like, I thought that I was getting, or like kind of maybe staying a little bit on top, but yeah, no, like there's just so much stuff. I can't believe all of this came out of it. And so now I'm just going to start the process of going through everything, making sure everything that goes back is, still good, not expired, not stale, not half-eaten, all those good things. And then I'll also start organizing and putting things in the bins and, refilling some of these things. I notice so much stuff when I'm editing, and with the sugar and flour, I really should have taken the old stuff out, put it in a bowl, put the new stuff in, and then put the old stuff on top. But I didn't, and I was like editing, I was like, oh, why didn't I do that? But it's too late now, so next time I will totally, hopefully remember. So I'm gonna be like totally honest with you guys and just let you know this project for me was basically like an all-day project, and I'm sure it wouldn't be for like the majority of people that watch this video, but for me today, like my kids are out on summer break and they just need a lot of attention, and I love giving them a lot of attention. So usually when I do a big project like this, I would do it on a day where like my mom is here to help me or my husband is at home and he can help me with the boys. But I just really wanted to get this done. I've been putting it off for so long. So I like gave myself a full-on pep talk and like knew it was gonna just take a while because I needed to, go out and play with the boys when when we need to go out and play. And when they need attention, I need to, kind of stop what I'm doing, give them some attention, and then I can come back and do bits and pieces of this when I'm able. So I just thought I'd be honest, and sometimes big projects like this, it's just the way it is with me and, in this house.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the way I feel when you're next to me, girl? Got the kick in every move and I fought it's like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this box of Crestios. If you guys watch The Simpsons, you know what I am, like what it's about and what the Crestios are. They are like the main cereal from The Simpsons, and I got that box of Crestios like, oh my god, so long ago when The Simpsons movie came out. They turned a bunch of 7-Elevens into Quickie Marts in Colorado. So I've just had that box of Crestios, and it's not open. It just kind of travels with me and sits with all my cereal but never gets eaten.
But I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee. I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl.
Alright, so now that I told you about my Crestios, as you can see, I am just putting everything back into the pantry now, all the baskets. And I am, I have to rearrange a few just because I have these bars in here and I just need to make sure, the things fit and fit well and how I like them. And so I'll just work and finish getting everything put back in now. Finished now, and I just wanted to show you guys this big cardboard box pile that I have right here. This is insane. Like, all of this came out of my pantry and I can't believe it. So I flattened everything out and it is going into recycling that will be picked up on Friday. And now, this is the pantry now. Oh my gosh, like, I can't believe it. The entire day when I opened the pantry, I was like, oh my lord. Like you can see things. I can see what I have. I can see exactly where things are. And it's amazing. Like it's a night and day difference. Like totally better. There's a couple things right here that did not end up in any bins. Unfortunately, I did run out of bins. I thought I actually was going to have a lot left over, but I did not. But you can just see like everything is organized actually, and you can see what everything is, and like I just keep repeating myself, but it is just like I am amazed at my pantry. Like totally tooting my own horn here. I did add a few little, what are those, chalkboard tags just on that one aisle because all of those bins are solid, and I just thought like it would help my husband and me know which bins are holding which cans, so that way you don't have to go digging through the cans to see. But as you can see, everything is all nice, organized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider watching another one. I really hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys soon. Bye!
I am done playing somebody